Hi, Brian and Hazel here. I'm here to save you some time and to be able to create leverage for your business. It may not always be leverage, and that you may not be trying to expand right now. If you need funds to rescue your business, we have that program available as well. Most of the requests that I'm getting now happen to be business rescue loans. Tremendous amount of business rescue loans. And I get it. Things are a little shaky in terms of monthly cash flow. I, at this time, would fortify my reserves, fortify my business loan account. We do all industries. You'll hear me talking about trucking because that is the industry in which we get the most requests from, and I thoroughly understand trucking. However, we get requests such as large commercial air conditioning units that can cost a business upwards of $188,000. So the requests come in large and small. The requests come in regardless of the ability to be able to satisfy them. So if you're trying to go to your bank at a time when you are in great need of funds, what they may ask you for is a lot more than what we're going to ask you for. They're going to ask you about possibly a business plan or last year's taxes, the year before that, back 3 years. All we need are your bank statements. Your 3 months bank statements from your business bank account is all we need. And I'll tell you, I'm pretty sure that you're not going to be able to find a more aggressive lender that's willing to give you more funding than anyone else. And this is what we do. We back that up with a $500 guarantee. We give you a pre-approval in writing in which you can take literally to the bank. And I'm pretty sure after 25 years in understanding these loan products, you're not going to be able to beat the amount and the ease in which we will get you funded. Thank you.
Point 1. Know your cash reality. Before you borrow, I map the next 13 weeks of cash in and cash out. What's guaranteed? What's maybe? What can I cut without killing sales? This rolling forecast tells me 2 things. How much I actually need when I can realistically repay. If the loan won't bridge me to higher revenues, ease seasonality losses, or fulfill a new contract or an operational fix, I don't take it. Point 2. Pick the right tool for the job. Different needs, different loans. Short-term gap. I look at a revolving line of credit, interest only on what I draw. Expansion with a multi-year payoff. A term loan with fixed monthly payments. Need lower rates and longer terms. I explore Bank Breezy Core rate options. Harder to qualify, but savings are huge. Inventory cycles, purchase order or inventory financing tied to actual goods. I avoid products with low returns on investments and unreliable suppliers unless the discounts are deep. Point 3. Borrow against ROI, not hope. Every dollar I borrow gets a job. Increase gross margin, accelerate revenue, reduce costs. I set a payback plan. For example, $50K into inventory must turn in 45 to 90 days with at least 35% margin with in-place buyers. I track my daily gross revenue. Calculate my daily expenses, fully understanding daily net profits. If my performance indicators miss 5 days in a row, I pause spending and reforecast. Point 4. Have all needed documentation ready before applying. I keep my daily balances high. I keep current bank statements. I create a one-page brief. What I need, why now, how I'll repay, my downside plan. I never borrow against collateral. I diversify revenue to reduce risk. Even better, I establish a small line of credit when times are good, so it's ready when times get hard. Closing. Debt is a tool, not a strategy. Strategy is clear cash visibility, the right product, disciplined ROI, lender-ready proof. Use loans to buy time you can turn into traction, not time you'll spend explaining losses. If you're under pressure today, start understanding your numbers, create realistic daily revenue projections, and give every borrowed dollar a measurable mission. That's how I protect the downside and keep upside alive. If this helped, save it. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I approve this message. BankBreezyDirect.com, your solution for 2026.
Well, if you're smart, you're going to call me. I'm going to help you.
Small businesses denied by banks. Can't wait for slow bank approvals, payroll, inventory, opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more.